Welcome back everyone, this is Resourceful Marcus. In this video I'm going to show you how I cook pork chops in a pan. This is how I cook my pork chops in a pan, alright? Alright, so just bear with me here as I gotta set up the camera now, okay? Getting her set up here. Alright, this is what we're gonna do. We're gonna get the pork chops in the pan. I'm here, this is Resourceful Marcus. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thanks to the subscribers. I appreciate it. Alright, getting ready here. Put the pork chops in the pan. Pork chops in the pan. Alright, now I'm going to need another pan here to cook these other two. They're not going to fit in this pan, so in this pan, still here, just out of the camera for a second. I'm a one-man camera operator, so you have to bear with me, alright? There's other two in here like this. There we go. Just like that. Get this burner going. Now, when I cook my chops, I just like to sprinkle some chili peppers. That's what I like to do. Just cooking here. Pan's heating up. Now I don't add any water, or sorry, I don't add any oil to my pans. If I have to, I add water. I do not add oil to my, when I cook with my meat. Don't need to. It already has oil naturally. I don't use oil. Yeah, I think I said this before. When I cook at home, I don't use oil. The meat already has oil. I do not cook with oil. Just cooking up some pork chops. Sprinkling the chili peppers. And once I get the burners going good, then I turn the heat down because I don't like to overcook my pork chops. I don't like to cook them too fast. Now if you want, you could sprinkle a little bit of sea salt. I just use the chili peppers. Pork chops don't take long to cook anyways. Very simple. And then afterwards I'm going to make some rice. And I'm just showing how I cook my chops. This is how I do it. You can cook the chops however you want. I'm just showing how I do it. Alright, now we can start to turn the heat down a little bit here. Cooking up the pork chops. No oil added in the pan. Now in some instances when I cook my meat I put a little bit of water in the pans. Just put a little bit of water in the pans and that's it. No oil. There's already oil in meat naturally. You don't need to add extra oil. There's no need for it. I don't have a bottle of oil at home. I don't use it. And just keep turning them over. Cooking them evenly. And a lot of people don't like to cook now. I understand that our time is very important in what we're doing, but I always take the time to cook. Something that I enjoy cooking. I just enjoy cooking very much, so I take my time and I cook. I got the second pan here because they wouldn't all fit in here. The 6 chops. They wouldn't fit, so I just kind of put them over here. Another pan. Anybody new viewing my YouTube channel, I thank you very much. Any new subscribers, thank you very much. I appreciate it. So just cooking pork chops, sprinkle a little chili peppers, and that's it. Very simple. Easy peasy. As I say, the meat has oil that comes out of it naturally when it's cooked. Cooking her up. I should have left and turned it over so quick. These ones are pretty thick, so they take a little longer. When they're thicker, the chops take a little longer. That's okay, there's no rush. No rush. Just cooking away, cooking away. Resourceful Marcus. Pork chops are one of the easiest things to cook. Very simple. Easy to cook because they really don't take that long. Yeah, white meat doesn't take that long to cook. Red meat, beef, takes a bit longer. Hopefully my battery don't run out here as I'm recording. The second little pan right here that I'm cooking with. Hopefully I'm not getting too much, little bit of splatter on my camera screen there. I hope not. And there's oil coming out as I'm cooking, coming out of the meat. So you don't need to add oil. At least that's what I don't do. So, I mean, that's up to you. If you want to add oil when you cook in your pan, that's up to you, right? Put this one this way. Here comes my brother, so you're going to hear him as I'm doing my YouTube content. You're going to hear him, everyone. Here he comes. He comes over this way. And these are almost done already. They don't take that long. These chops are almost done now. They don't take too long. Nice chops. Alright, my brother didn't come over this way as I'm doing my video. Yeah, these ones probably take about 20 minutes. That's not bad. Not bad at all. Because these are thicker chops, so not too bad. And I don't like to overcook them because then they're not tender. Overcook the chops and it's like eating shoe leather. And you gotta chew and chew and chew forever. Alright. We're almost done now. Pretty much almost done with the chops. That's the second pan I'm turning over. Smaller pan, and I got the other two in that wouldn't fit in this pan. Alright. Turn it right down now. And that's it. Now I'm gonna get ready to cook my rice and enjoy the nice, beautiful, tender chops. Alright, this is Resourceful Marcus, everyone. Signing off for now. Thank you again for watching. I will see you again soon.